What's going on? What's going on? What's going on, guys? Welcome back. Welcome back to E-Rebuilds. We're back at it again, guys, with another video today. Going to give you a quick update of what's going on, what's been going on, the little bit of items that we've added since you've last seen the 370. And we will be doing a little bit of work today, guys. We are going to go ahead and swap this windshield out. This one does have some cracks in it, guys, and as you know, that is not safe. So we're going to go ahead and replace that. We're going to go ahead and take care of that ourselves. So tag along with us, guys. We're also going to give you a look at the vehicle so far, show you exactly where we've come with it. Man, I don't know about you guys, but it's looking good. It's looking good, guys. It's looking good. So don't forget, like, comment, share, and subscribe, guys. Let's go. Let's get right into the video. So we've gotten the windshield completely out. Look how thick that glue is. So we literally just cut right through that glue. So we're gonna go ahead and clean this area up now. Just have to prep the area. Windshield is completely gone. So there you have it. We just got all that old glue out. Just went ahead and removed that old windshield. We replaced it with the new one, guys. It's looking good, guys. No more cracks in the glass. We're finally safe to drive. And I'm getting excited, guys. I'm getting excited as the days go by. This thing is really coming along nice, guys. So I think I want to go ahead and I really want to see what these lights look like. You know, we've put them in. They're just talking to me, guys. Now I just want to see what it looks like. So right now I'm just going to see if my dad can come in and assist us real quick. Ooh-wee! Man, look at those daytime running lights, guys. Man, I really like the detail, how it comes down the side. Then we got them in the bumpers. Let's turn it all the way on and see what it looks like. Man, would you look at that? Look at that, guys. That is awesome. Man, so this is like a 3-layer. Let's see what the indicators look like. Woo! They are going to see us coming. Woo! You think we can get a little startup, Mr. E-Rebuild? Let's hear what this thing sounds like. Woo-hoo-hoo! Man, listen to that. There it is, guys. This thing is almost ready for the road. All right, don't give them too much. Don't give them too much. Man, this thing is coming out amazingly. Those lights sit into that bumper. Really, really nice. I'm loving it, guys. I'm really loving this one. So we just got a few more things to do, a few more odds and ends. Before we end the video, guys, let's hear it from Mr. E-Rebuilds himself. How do you feel so far about this build?
So far, so good. You know, as you can see it coming along, waiting on the rest of the part, and then get down to the real stuff, real deal. You know, swap the fenders out, swap the rear bumper, and then get the intake, start to get it tuned. So it's coming along good. So guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Awesome videos coming.
You heard it from Mr. E-Rebuilds himself. Don't forget. Like, comment, share, and subscribe, guys. Like he said, we do have some major things coming to the channel, but we can't give you any secrets, guys. Just stay tuned and you'll see. E-Rebuilds, we're out.